Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2025 Rpod 197 couples travel trailer. This thing comes in just under 4,100 pounds dry and around 23 feet in length. We're going to take a few minutes here, walk you through the inside, the outside, and show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2025 Rpod 197 travel trailer here by Forestriver RV. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is kind of a rear bathroom, front bedroom, living room kind of area set up here. So we're going to start here in the front and we'll kind of work our way to the back for you. So first things up, you have a Murphy bed style setup here. Currently have it in sofa mode. There's little bit of storage on each side of the sofa along with two drawers that pull out down below. Pretty good amount of storage there. You have electric outlets and USB chargers on both sides of that sofa as well. Little end tables obviously. This sofa again will flip down and make into a bed. So let's show you here real quick kind of what this looks like. Pretty easy to do. All you got to do is kind of move your little arms out of the way. Grab the bottom of the sofa, lift up and pull forward. Then there's a little latch up here that you're going to unlatch, and that will allow you to drop down the bed there as well. Now back in behind the little hanging closets is also some kind of hidden storage back in there as well, little shelf space kind of stuff back there. But overall, it's pretty quick and easy to do as you've seen there. Pretty simple. Window on each side of the bed does open as well. Kind of spinning around here looking at our entry exit door. It does have a screen door in it as well, along with a window, which is Lippert thin shade ready, so there's an aftermarket shade you can get for that. You have this really cool setup over here with this little bar dinette area. Again, more of a couple's coach. So you have the high bar set up here. There's also some storage down below there, so you got some cabinet space underneath there. You do have an electric outlet, USB charger port there. You have your smart TV right here as well. Kind of a shameless plug here, but we got the All About RVs YouTube channel up. It's currently sitting at 60,400 and some odd subscribers and growing daily, trying to get that count up to the 100,000 mark. So if you're interested in keeping up with more videos, please don't forget to subscribe and do so. You have this really cool window set up here. So right now I have the window open. You'll see this a little better when we get outside, but it does have a flip up window, and then it has a built-in nightshade and a screen that you can do either one. But again, you go on right onto the outside here. It's got a shock assist on it. So your choice, keep the window closed, open it up on those good days, have the screen open or whatever, privacy blind, all there. Now over here on the side of your kitchen cabinet area here, you're going to have your on-demand water heater down there. You have an electric outlet down there, propane leak detector. You also have the monitor panel for your holding tanks, water pump switch, and everything down there. You have a convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave either one. 2-burner gas stovetop with the flip up and down glass lid, hood range light and fan up there as well. Now you are going to have a decent amount of overhead cabinet space right here. You also have your stereo system here, which works the 2 indoor speakers and also 2 outdoor speakers. You're going to have the awning in and out button, light switch for the awning, porch light switch, and an interior light switch all right here. The unit also has a tire pressure monitoring system. This is a great safety feature. I wish all campers came with something like this. But this right here will help you maintain your tire pressure and know what's happening back there. You're going to have your propane furnace right down here, electric outlet, USB charger ports. You have 2 pull-out drawers and some storage down below right there. The window behind the sink area that does open. You have that fancy high-rise sprayer faucet, large bowl sink right here with the little cover for it as well. Over here, you are going to have your electric box with the breakers and fuses down below the fridge right there. You also have the central vac feature right there as well with the dustpan vac, and the hoses are, I think, in the storage compartment. We'll see when we get out there. 12-volt powered refrigerator, and this is a very nice Furrion refrigerator here. Freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom. Over here, you are going to have a nice pantry area right here. Swing door has a motion light in there as well, but a nice little area here for all your goodies. And then down below right there in the box is the griddle for some outside cooking. You're going to have a sliding door here for your bathroom area for privacy. But kind of looking up top, there's a large turbo exhaust fan right there. You have a skylight up above. ABS tub surround, says step-in shower with the pull-across vinyl door there. A little bit of shelf space in there as well. You have a little bit of storage underneath your sink area right there. Traditional medicine cabinet setup here. Window in the bathroom as well. And you have the foot flush toilet. There's a motion light down there. Now back here, you do have a lot of storage space as well. So you can cram a lot of towels and linens and stuff in here. You have little robe hook holders over here, towel holders, whatever you want to use them for. Also forgot to mention, those blinds out there do have these pull down roller shades as well. But overall, a very nice new addition to the Rpod lineup here. Now we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are back on the outside of the new 2025 Rpod 197 travel trailer here. Starting on the door side, working our way around for you. So first things up, you have a white fiberglass exterior attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of those cheap wood Luan backers. So it's much less likely to have a delamination problem compared to wood Luan that can rot. This is an aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. You have a lower black metal skirting, some vinyl graphics as well. Now, everybody always wonders what the Frog Guy's up to. Every year they change him up a little bit. So you can kind of see him up there chilling out, camping with the old original Rpod graphic kind of setup. Very cool. Down here, you're going to have a pass-through storage area. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing up there. Motion light in here, USB charger ports in here. The front cap light switch as well. There's also a hose in there for the outside utility shower. And this customer's going with a weight distribution Blue Ox sway system aftermarket. So you're seeing that laying in there, and you'll see some brackets on the frame as well. You're going to have a power awning with adjustable arms, manual override in the front arm head, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV there. You have deep tint safety glass windows. You have deep tint safety glass entry exit door as well with that window built in. That is Lippert thin shade ready, so you can get that aftermarket shade if you want. You have a large folding entry handle right there. The heavy duty Lippert solid entry step with adjustable feet, rated for 500 pounds, flips up in the doorway when traveling around there. You got a dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, Easy Lube hubs, currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires. And it also, again, has that tire pressure monitoring system, so you can kind of keep up with that. That's very important. This is pretty cool. You kind of seen this when we were inside here, but you have this flip up window with either a big pull down shade or screen, just kind of helping bring in that outside nature. So that's probably going to be really good on those, spring and fall days and stuff. Probably not going to want to leave that open in the heat of the summer, but your choice. You are going to have this portable table here that basically mounts onto the side, and then you will have a griddle that also mounts here as well. I did not get the griddle out, but that is another cool feature that you can do some cooking out here. Now looking underneath the bottom here real quick, you can see that gas line hookup right there, the enclosed underbelly as well, and one of your 4 heavy-duty scissor jacks to stabilize the RV. There's also an electric outlet right here, the hot and cold outside utility shower right here, and your black tank flush also located right there. You have your on-demand water heater located here in the back corner. You have 2 outdoor speakers up high right there. You also have a traditional amber porch light up there. On around to the back side here, you're going to have a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end, 4-inch square tube bumper, spare tire mounted on the back. The roof does have a nice arch to it to try and help shed away water and stuff. You are prepped in the top center right there for the Furrion rear observation camera, a very nice camera system to consider adding to your RV. You're going to also have a prep right there in the top left corner for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That is a nice ladder system that would allow you to get up and down on and off your roof. It telescopes in and out so you can put it in the storage compartment or something when you're not actually using it. Speaking of the roof, let's hop up here real quick and check out the roof as well. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick and just kind of give you an idea what the roof of a 197 Rpod looks like. So kind of starting back here in the back, you are going to have your skylight, a roof vent, that's all over top of the bathroom area right there. You got a couple plumbing stack vents back here. You do have the Winegard Air 360 TV antenna over there. This one was ordered with a solar panel, so you got roughly a 200-watt solar panel up here that you could add extra solar to if you wanted to down the road. You're going to also have your Furrion air conditioning system. But kind of the point of getting up here really is to show you there's a lot of stuff up here on the roof of an RV. And you got to get up here and maintain your seams and your seals and make sure that your RV does not leak. That's very, very important over the life of any RV to do your maintenance. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground. So pretty cool. Just remember, do your maintenance. Very important, guys. On around to this side here, you can see underneath the bottom right down here, you have again a jack. You have those low point water drains and your gray and black tank dump all coming out of one area right there. You have your detachable power cord hooking up right here. It is 30 amp electric service. You have cable satellite inlets here as well. And then there's also a little motion light right here. You're going to have the stove exhaust vent up there. Furnace exhaust vent right here by the tire there. You're going to also have your fresh water tank fill right here, along with your city water inlet as well. Now looking at the bottom underneath here, again, you can see that enclosed underbelly and the fresh water tank drain underneath the bottom. The other side of the storage compartment area right here, you can see those hoses and stuff for the central vac that was inside. Also, it is inverter prepped right behind this panel, and also that is where you get to some winterization stuff as well. Now, real quick, some info on this as well. So this particular RV was built, this is the production date sticker right here, 6/27 of 2024. It has a model number, again, 197. Gross vehicle weight of the RV was 5,554 pounds. It's the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Over here, you're going to have your dry weight, 4,063 pounds. Exterior length, 23 feet long. You can see it does have a really nice arch to the front of it here, nice rollback, so it's a little more aerodynamic than the old flat front style. You're going to have that dual pane acrylic window right there. That window again does open. You have a lower metal diamond plate there. Your battery disconnect located right here. The repeater for the tire pressure monitor system right there as well. Room for 1 or 2 batteries to kind of go right here in this area. You're going to have, the way this one was set up with dual propane tanks, power tongue jack, Auto changeover regulator, by the way, when they do the dual tank option. You're going to have the manual override and the front arm head, or the front head of the power tongue jack there as well. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Barbman wiring plug. The RV does have brakes and stuff, so it's very important to make sure you have a brake controller to control the brakes. And if you don't have a really big tow vehicle, you probably want to make sure you do weight distribution and sway system as well. That's going to really help you traveling down the road. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this RV video. As always, you are greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. Thanks again.